thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 8 is going to be the following. 1, invisible jump ropes. 2, lateral lunges. 3, steam engines. 4, wall sits. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 8, exercise number 1, as I mentioned, is going to be invisible jump ropes. You're going to have your invisible jump rope right here. You're going to turn your wrist as if you are turning a jump rope. You're going to have your feet together. You're going to go on your toes. If you want to make it more challenging, you can go on one foot, okay? Or you can do double unders, okay? Make it whatever you want to do, okay? Up to your level, okay? Second one, lateral lunges. You're going to start with your feet together. You're going to extend one foot out. So I'm going to start with my right foot. I'm going to extend one foot out, and I'm going to go to the side of my body, and then I'm going to go back in, and then I'm going to go right back out. Lateral lunges. Together, out, together, out, together. All right, so side to side. Next one, steam engines. What you're gonna do is go feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna get your hand behind your head. All right, so right hand behind my head. And I'm gonna go across my body to my left leg and bring it up. Then I'm gonna switch. Left hand goes up, across my body to my right leg. And I'm gonna go back and forth, okay? Last one we got is wall sits. Gonna go against the wall into a nice squat position. Make sure your back is straight as much as possible, and you're just gonna sit there. And you're gonna try to do that for 30 seconds. It seems pretty easy, but it will become a challenge. I promise you that, okay? So stay tuned for Fast 5 workout number 8, and we'll get started in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Invisible jump ropes. So again, if you want to do singles, okay, or if you want to do double unders, it's up to you, okay? Go up to your ability. Remember, the next one's gonna be those lateral squats. We can go side to side. All right, here we go. 10 more seconds, keep going. Again, try to focus on staying on your toes as much as possible. Turn those wrists. All right, so let's get to those lateral lunges. Go. Out, together. Out, together. You're gonna keep going, side to side. Great job, my friends. Keep working hard, don't give up. Take all those negative thoughts, get them out of their mind, get your mind. No negativity at the P.E Spot. Nice job. Keep going. All right, we're moving on to those steam engines. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Again, cross your body, lift up your leg. Side to side. The higher you get your knee to your chest, the better. Go across your body. It looks kind of like a dance routine once you get the hang of it. Mr. Garcia has no rhythm, but I try my best. All right, get to those wall sits, go. The lower you can get, the better. Hands out in front of you if you want. Hands on your thighs. Just hold it. Back as straight as possible to the wall. Woo! Hands on your head, hands on your shoulders, hands on your knees, clap 3 times. Head, shoulders. All right, that concludes round 1. 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. That wasn't so bad. All right, let's go. We got round 2 coming up again. 30 seconds each, same exercises. 1, invisible jump ropes. 2, lateral lunges. 3, steam engines. And 4, wall sits. Make sure you guys go all out, try your best. Do not give up. Do more reps than you did the first round, okay? Challenge yourself. You got 30 seconds left, 30 seconds left. Again, I really hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. I know I'm getting a lot more exercise in with these workouts for you guys, so. All right, here we go. 10 seconds left, 10 seconds left. If you're excited, drop a comment below. Say, I'm excited. All right, so let's get ready to go. we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Jump ropes, go. Again, try those double unders. Try those single hops. Switch legs. Kick in front of you. You guys make it what you want, okay? Just keep going. Don't quit on me. Mr. Garcia is old and he still works hard. He does his best. Keep going. All right, and let's go into those lateral lunges. Go side to side. Together. Side. Together. Side. Together. Great job. Don't quit, my friends. You're doing amazing. Holy guacamole, you're going to have a good workout after this. Remember, 2 more exercises. Fast 5. 5 minutes only. All right, we got steam engine starting in 3, 2, 1. Go again, across your body. Across your body. If you don't feel it, you'll be feeling it tomorrow. All right, get into those wall sits, go. Try to get lower. I'm gonna try to get lower. Woo! Oh, not too low. You can do it, let's go. You got it. 20 seconds left. And hands here, hands on your head. Shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, shoulders. Oh, how many did I get? How many of you guys did I get? Oh, I few of you guys. You guys ready? Head, shoulders. Oh, I got 3 again. 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, great job. Super proud of you guys. You did amazing. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 8. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family members. Do the workouts with your friends and family members. Okay? The more people that you get involved, the funner these activities become. Okay? So make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.